In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name in 2020. This works on Android and iOS devices. So if you want to change your name, you probably noticed that you cannot do this inside the Facebook app, because if you go to More, then go to Edit Page and then click on Page Info and then click on your name, you will see it right there that the page you requested cannot be displayed, blah, blah, blah. So that doesn't work, right? So you want to close the Facebook app and you want to launch any browser and then go to m.facebook.com. Sign in to your Facebook profile and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Once you're here, you want to find your page. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on that page right there. So find your page and click on it. Then once you're here, you should be able to click on More and then find Edit Settings. Right there, you can click on Page Info and then you can click on your name, and then right there you can click on Continue, and then let's click on Cancel, my bad. Right there you actually want to change the page name. Click on that. Then right there you can change it to whatever you want. So I can just put in my channel name and then click on Continue and then click on Request Change. And there you go. We're reviewing your name change request. So they'll send you a notification within 3 days when our review is complete. Now that's pretty much how to change Facebook page name in 2020, Android or iOS. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Comment down below and let me know if this works, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.